YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another Wish haul. I went onto Wish and I purchased a couple of things. The things I purchased were Apple knockoffs. They were fake Apple goods. From what I could see on the gadget page, they had fully copied Apple thing. They're both like under £20, relatively cheap enough to order, test them. If they're good, keep them. If they're rubbish, never work and just turn out to be the worst things I've ever purchased, then I'm not going to bankrupt myself. So I thought I would just purchase a pair of earpods and an iWatch from the Wish app. I'm going to unbox them, review them, test them, see if they work for you on camera today. If you love the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because honestly it really helps my channel out and it makes me feel very happy that you came and you watched and you gave me a thumbs up. Before, I'd actually made an order on Wish like last year and I ordered a load of things and some of it took months to get here, but these two items took a week to get here, which I think is really good. Okay, so with the iWatch, basically it cost me £17, which is about $28. So it was under $30 for an iWatch apparently, or for a smartwatch, and it came in this box. So the box itself looks relatively okay. It's not very like upmarket. I'm sure you get a much better box directly from Apple if you're ordering the iWatch. And inside is the fake iWatch and it's wrapped up. I mean, it's really not the best packaging, but again, what do I expect for £17? You have the iWatch itself, and inside I assume that is a USB charging portal thing. And I also have a user guide. So let's unwrap the iWatch. It feels like super heavy, by the way. Okay, so here's the iWatch. Apparently it has a camera on and everything. I actually fully remember ordering the white one, so I've got a jet black one. Great start. Thanks, Wish. To be fair, like, it looks okay. Like, it doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna test the sizing first, because it feels like it's really big and I have really naturally small wrists. But yeah, it's way too big on the smallest setting, so I'm probably going to have to punch some holes in to make it smaller. To be fair, like, it looks really cool. It's like one of those watches you can be like, mission, be a spy. Always wanted to be a spy, not gonna lie. So here's the watch. Okay, so let's turn it on, just see what happens. I assume wow, that was cool. I mean, obviously when you kind of touch the button, it's just coming up with the clock. There we go. It doesn't seem very easy to use, but like if you click it, the watch comes on, and then if you push it up, the menu comes up. So obviously here's the menu. It goes off really quick. Like, I'd barely like spoken and it had gone off. But if I go onto menu, and if I select camera, my days, that is hilarious. So trying to take a photo, and basically it's like one of those, you know, the Snapchat filter where it's just your face. Okay, press the wrong button. Please insert memory card. Are you joking? That's really annoying. Where do I insert a memory card, guys? Help me. So I assume you take the back out. I'm gonna read the user guide. That is all in Chinese. Oh, wrong way. Okay, so phone setting, turn phone on Bluetooth, search for devices, blah blah blah. So I'm taking the back. Oh, okay, I didn't break it. Oh, it's got like a mini little battery inside. I mean, nothing's very clear to me right now, I'm not gonna lie. I need picture instructions, like I need illustrations. So, without knowing where to put the memory card or a SIM card, I'm a bit limited, but I have worked out how to use the calculator. Should I need a wrist calculator, I've got one now. I paid £17 for it, but I have a wrist calculator. Also, I can add contacts, so actually it could be quite handy to have contacts. And I wonder if it has that steps counter. Or it has a sleep monitoring, oh, it has a Twitter button, but I have to insert SIM card. Oh, it has like an exercise feature. So that's quite interesting. So In all, I must admit, I don't think it's quite as good as an Apple iWatch. As surprised as I am for ordering a £17 watch all the way from Taiwan, I don't think it is an Apple iWatch. Obviously I am joking, like I know it was not going to be anything near Apple iWatches. If anything, my nephew, my 6-year-old nephew, is going to absolutely love playing with this. Although it's huge and way too big for my wrist, I feel like he will really enjoy playing with this. I do want to work out how to get the memory card in so I can play with the camera, because the camera section is hilarious. But I don't think, other than that, I will use it too much. Do you know what I'm going to do though? Wear it for the duration of the video. There we go guys, don't mind me and my big old fake iWatch. Oh my god, it's so noticeable to me. It feels like I'm wearing a mini TV on my wrist. If you want a £17 smartwatch that isn't too modern but also isn't too rubbish, Wish is your place. Okay, let's move on to the earpods, which I'm super excited about. So the earpods cost me a whole total of £11, so that is $15. I just hiccuped. For what I can only describe as the most Apple looking earpods, non-Apple earpods I've ever witnessed. These look exactly like Apple earpods. The inside we have, and I assume the earpods are in there, and I also have like a user manual and a really dodgy looking portable charger that looks really dirty. So let's start off with the earpods. So basically, if I open the little white pot, ooh, when the button's on, they're red. So it's showing that they are being charged. And here are my new fake Apple earpods. Now, first impressions, I have to admit they're absolutely humongous. Like, that is massive. Oh my god, that's absolutely massive. Okay, so here's one earpod. Is that my right or left ear? I mean, it feels like I'm wearing an actual machine out of my ear. It feels that, oh my god, it looks ridiculous. I'm pretty sure, I'm pretty sure that the Apple earpods don't look that big. They feel really big, they look really big, but do they work? What I'm going to do is attempt to put my phone on Bluetooth to these speakers to play. Long press the multi-function button until the LED flashing in red and blue alternately. So the button is here. So long press. Make sure you long press. Oh, it's flashing blue and red alternatively. Then turn on the Bluetooth on your device and select i7TWS. Oh, i7TWS. It just said device is connected through the massive earpod. Okay, let's hear the sound. It's quite hard to put earpods in this ear because I've got my Traeger spar pierced. Look how big they are. Let's play some music. It's only playing out of one ear. Okay, how do I do both? Hello? That is the weirdest thing. When I double click it, which is what it tells me to do in order to listen to music, it starts calling someone. Pairing with both sides. Long press the multi-function buttons on both sides at the same time. So, I'm long pressing both of them at the same time. And they both just said pairing at the same time. One of them's playing music and one isn't. Let's try it again. So, take the earbuds out. Long hold them both. Double click one of them. Yay! They're both working. The sound is quite good. Oh, it feels good to like listen to them and not have a wire. I'm probably talking really loud, yeah I am. Tell you what I might do now is ring someone with them on and see what happens. I just pulled it out of the thing and the wire came loose. As if I was just raving about how good they are and now they just broke. Like, well, it still said pairing and it's still working. Brilliant. So the wiring's a bit dodgy, guys, but other than that, they're great. So I've got it in, it's currently playing music. So let's ring my dad. Hiya. Yeah, good, are you? Can you hear me? Not very well. Oh, okay, because I'm just testing out this new earphone thing I have for my phone, but can you not hear me very well? Oh, that's annoying. Keeps cutting out. Okay. I'll give you a call in about an hour anyway, but I was just testing this thing out. Right, bye. Love you, Dad. Bye, bye. He said it was cutting out. But I'm actually really happy with those. That was actually really difficult to connect, not going to lie. Unless I was doing something wrong, but I genuinely wasn't in the end. This one was working, and this one I just think took a longer time to connect. But the sound quality is actually quite good. In order to turn them off, you hold the off buttons and it says power off. You can kind of hear them simultaneously say it. So apart from it being a bit weird to connect them, I'm really happy with those. Obviously I've only just got them, so I don't know what the battery life is like. So apparently they last up to 16 hours, which isn't too bad. But I think they have come presented very well. They look exactly like Apple AirPods. They charge well, they charge fine. The iWatch, not so much. Like, I feel like that could have been £17 saved. But this, £11 for these, when the sound quality is actually really good, and it'll be really handy to have earpods that I don't have a wire, so I can like run around the house, I don't go to the gym, but like I could go on a country walk. I'm gonna wrap this up, otherwise I'll be talking all day about them. So I'm actually really impressed with the earpods, not so much with the iWatch. I don't think the iWatch is the worst thing in the world, but the earpods I love. I think they're great. For £11, I think they're really good. And I'm definitely going to be using those, and if I do have any problems I'll probably update you guys. I might even tell you on Instagram, so make sure you're following me on Instagram to like get an update on these. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you like the video, to give it a thumbs up because it really helps my channel out. Also don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.